Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a look, again, that I've had written down for a while, but Victoria Jane, who, as if you can't tell by this point, I'm literally obsessed with, did basically the same look. So I wanted to do like a lime green, like bright eye, and then like a black lip, because I've seen it a lot in like different looks, and I think it's like a beautiful color combination. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with my vitamin C drops.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
I'm going to take my Colourpop Light 14. I'm going to use my Colourpop bronzer in Private Party and my Morphe M8 MB35. And now I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and my new favorite blush, which is Colourpop, and the color is, I forget. I honestly don't remember what fucking color this is. It's called Rom-Com, and it's like a peachy pink. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take my NYX No Filter powder in Porcelain. The blush makes me look really tanned, and I'm really happy about it. Like, going into the winter, I feel like I get so pale and I get so sad. I take so much vitamin D to make up for the fact that there's no sun in Toronto. Moving on. I'm gonna take my fluffy little brush. This one's like a, oh no, this one's not the angle brush. I lied. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna start with this color. There's so many birds outside my window right now, and I like literally hate birds, and they keep like are they plotting my death? Maybe. And then for the last color, I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna go into my Sephora Pro palette and use the color Jeffrey. And just pack that color onto my lid. I'm going to take my NYX white eyeshadow base and my Morphe 421. And I'm going to take my Morphe M210. I'm going to go back in with Jeffrey from the Sephora Pro. I'm going to use my Subculture palette and take the shade Electric and use that as my inner corner highlight. So that's Electric. So now I'm going to add some Sephora black eyeliner. Just a thin line. Or maybe not, because you know, I love a good thick liner. You know, didn't end up being so thin, but yeah. I'm just going to be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For my lashes, I'm going to use Rouge Rogue Slayer. So these lashes are really dramatic, and I feel like Oh my god, I'm literally the biggest idiot.
Bruh.
I'm so high that I literally didn't fill in my brows. Now I have to do it with lashes on. Fuck. Oh, I hate myself. So I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, so why am I like the world's biggest dumbass? Like, I don't understand how I did that. This is what I get for not drinking coffee.
Might do.
Beauty Mark and my Colourpop black lip liner. I'm gonna take my Colourpop liquid suede and Alien, or not Colourpop, NYX. And my highlighter brush. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild, and I'm gonna use the color Lucky Clover.
Wait a minute. Who made this big mess? Get ready for the 10-second tidy. Ready, set, go!
Alright guys, and that's it for that look. I really like it. It's pretty simple, but really pretty. I love like lime green. It was my favorite color when I was younger. My bedroom was lime green for a bit. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun and I really like how it turned out. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye!